This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Record keeping is fundamental in computing, and the ability of a computer system to store data defines its efficiency. Mass storage devices, MSDs, are computing tools used to hold huge amounts of data in the information technology (IT) environment. It is prudent to note that the MSDs are portable and incorporate an interface that must be present for the users to access the data. If the interface is not current, accessing the information stored in the MSDs becomes impossible. The operation of the devices achieves the highest levels of efficiency if they are aligned with computer information security protocols. The MSDs are connected to the computer and accessed through Universal Serial Bus, USB, Ethernet, and Small Computer System Interface, SCSI. Three significant technologies are used to create MSDs: magnetic, optical, and solid-state. This paper analyzes the advantages and disadvantages of the MSDs. Mass storage devices allow users to pile huge amounts of data, making them a reference point when using the computer. As capacity increases, reliability and flexibility upsurge, and users can retrieve the information whenever they need it. Storing data is relatively cheaper when using MSDs than the costs involved in cloud storage. The major use of storage tools in computer systems is to offer users the ability to access and use the information. Since MSDs offer the highest rate of access and retrieval, they are the most effective storage devices for use. Optical drives provide the highest quality of the movie, image, and sound files stored compared to the other types of storage. Transfer speed and power consumption are essential parameters in the information technology domain. Computer experts rely on data transfer to share files for day-to-day operations. When the transfer speed is low, the users have to waste time transferring the files, which lowers the operation efficiency of the computer system. Mass storage devices offer a higher transfer speed and lower power consumption, making them the best technology for storing data. The efficiency in the computing domain depends on the speed of transfer and the power consumption. MSBs have lower power consumption and high transfer speeds, making operations in the computer domain easy. Though MSDs have numerous advantages over other types of storage, it is paramount to note several disadvantages associated with them. The users must take note of the disadvantages and plan effective solutions before investing in them. Since the devices are portable, their physical security is essential and must be factored in to avoid theft. Therefore, companies using MSDs must invest in additional security costs to ensure that the MSDs are safe. Information security is a matter of concern in the contemporary world, and storage devices must be encrypted to be accessed by authorized people only. The lack of encryption abilities in some mass storage devices makes the data stored vulnerable to being stolen by third-party users, a threat to information security. The MSDs are further physical, making them vulnerable to physical damage such as weather conditions and physical breakage. Unlike primary and cloud storage, the MSDs must be physically connected to the computers and CPU before being accessed. Computer users investing in MSDs must analyze their limitations and incorporate strategies to overcome them before using them. Physical security and data encryption are vital considerations that must be incorporated into the computer system before installing the MSDs to ensure that their security is guaranteed. Data protection is fundamental when purchasing and using MSDs, and computer users leveraging the devices must ensure that data safety is guaranteed. Did you like this mass storage devices, advantages and disadvantages sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs without even having to register.